Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad in Toca Boca. We'll walk through each step, making it super easy and fun. You'll learn to pick out the best ingredients, prepare them just right, and combine them into a tasty meal. Get ready to unleash your inner chef and create amazing, personalized salads for all your Toca Boca friends. It's a simple process that brings a lot of joy. First, let's gather our ingredients. Head to the grocery store or garden in Toca Boca. Look for a fresh base like crisp lettuce or vibrant spinach. Then, pick out some colorful vegetables, perhaps juicy tomatoes or crunchy cucumbers. Don't forget protein options like grilled chicken or a piece of fish. You can even add fruits for a unique, sweet twist. Now it's time to prepare your selections. Take your chosen items to the cutting board. Use the knife tool to wash and chop everything into bite-sized pieces. Once prepared, carefully place all your ingredients into a mixing bowl. Give it a good stir to ensure everything is evenly distributed. This step is key for a perfectly balanced and delicious salad. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Choose a yummy dressing to pour over your salad for extra flavor. You can also garnish it with fun toppings like croutons or cheese. Once it looks perfect, serve your amazing creation to your Toca Boca characters. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and dressings to discover new favorite combinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.